Yeah, my internet. Uh, bum, bum, bum. Okay. Mm, all of these. I'm not even sure if I want them. Of course. These four, I'm not sure if I even want to implement. Because I'm not sure how. Oh, there is one rule I want to implement, which is this case. Like, let's say you have a try and code here, exception, and this is not you. So here, regardless of what code you have, this is not all. So as Center would say, oh, we can. Another thing is that now I see it is a redundant try catch block like this one. Oh, uh, I just remembered there is also unreachable code. I don't know why I forgot about that. So if we have a block of code and then we have either a return, exit, or die, or what else, or throw, basically anything that can disturb the workflow, then the next statements will not be yeah. Also, I just remembered there is a redundant wait, first of all, redundant block. This is when we encounter a block within another block, or like it's statement by itself, a block state. Yeah, if it's a block within a block, then it's a no. So let's do redundant block. Let's rename this. There. What on a block. And for statement and block statement that and block inner then this is a redundant. So this means if we have a block, then we read over the statement. So if we have like something like this, then this could be expression statement, this could be if statement here. But you have the reason we don't just search for the block as its own node is because this is also a block, right? And this block can be I don't know, for each tool, right? And this is just a block statement. But these are the blocks that are kind of used, that exist within sequence statement. And maybe that's what we should look for. Maybe we should look for blocks within sequences. Yes. So let's do this. I think we're gonna have this one, redundant block. Sequence to what we need to then on outer and braces brackets. Actually, or we can do full block. Here is secondary, primary one. Regardless, move the outer braces, and the fix is left. Right, and they and here is the case. This is one case. To self-report and yeah, with that context. Another one is walk in a namespace. And do for the same. But here it's a function. Oh, it's in the namespace. Yeah. Another case trying to is we have wanted to contain a sequence of statements. Oh, case. Like case. What do we call the right side? Oh no, they're just statements. Okay. I'll work with that. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Other ones are let's actually that just is a lot. For 8. You know what? Log in for each. it's needs to cover as many cases. Wait, did we do 4? Yeah, 4. What else? If column delimited. What alt if column limited if else or else. For now, I think we're covering all the cases where someone would have a block just floating like. Actually, no, we're still not covering all. Another case that we forgot to cover is declare. That to walk and declare body. Yeah, it's column delimited body. That's statement. We had node itself, so this the problem or the reason sequence itself is not a node is that all nodes must implement the span trait, which requires a starting position and end position. But the sequence of can be empty, that would be really tricky to implement. It's not impossible. It's possible if in the parser we always like say, oh, we are in this position and give that position to sequence. So in case there is no elements within the sequence, it can just use that position to create a dummy span. Just spans from offset to that same offset, so it's basically 0 and a half. But yeah. Okay. So let's try this redundant block. Let's do this. Just to go. Just that. And here I have war. All these should be removed. Oh, we did not enable this. We don't know block. Statements do not need to be wrapped within a block. That's a redundant. So total 3 redundant blocks, and 1, 2. Let's check these reports. Oh, these are not reported. Yeah, top level ones are not done. Because those require walking. Basically this. Just do this. And they should. Those should be like 5. Yeah. And as usual, let's do I'll go run and yeah, they were all removed, but the indent, so we have this weird shape here. Yeah, I'm okay. Last year it was complaining about that. It was fixed as well. And what else should we complain about? There is 2 other instances of things that are not redundant. I'll say consistency wise, there is one more rule, which is the don't use close open tag instead of sometimes good. So let's do go here. You can have something like a equals 5, and since we can have a semicolon here, we can also have a closing tag. Closing tag can work like basically work in the place of a semicolon, and we can just say okay, put a semicolon instead here, because there could be some text here. However, there is a case where we can safely replace this with a semicolon, and that is immediately followed by an opening tag. So this can immediately be replaced with it. And luckily, our our parser knows about this, and it parses that like close open and puts it in its special node called tag pair. So whenever we have somewhere where we should have a semicolon to terminate a statement or a closing tag, pass it through basically called parse terminator, and it sees okay, if there is a colon, then we're parsing a semicolon. If there is a closing tag, then we check is there immediately after it opening tag. In that case, we parse it tag pair, otherwise we parse it as a closing tag. So what we will do is search for terminator. So we will walk in a terminator, and if it has this pair here, we will say this pair can be replaced by semicolon, and we can automatically fix it for the user. So let's implement that, and that should be in, I think, consistency. Let's put it here. Let's call it node tag pair terminator. Okay, and let's go here, say node tag pair terminator, and rename this to node tag pair. Same here, node tag pair terminator, and this should easy to fix. We do walk terminator. We don't do walk in because we don't really care about child nodes of a terminator, because terminator doesn't really have um, any meaningful child nodes that we would like to scan recursively. It only has those, and entering those will lead to nowhere. In this walkers, really look closer up. So match it, or not match. Let's say if let terminator tag pair close closing tag followed by an opening tag is the terminator. Else, well, so in this case, what if of that? In this case, we say basically we're gonna create an issue like this. Say using tag pair. Let's explain what is pair. That or no, let's say semicolon is preferred, similar to how like we do it for legacy array. Preferred over tag, or semicolon terminator is help that semicolon, and let's highlight both of them. So the closing tag can join open, and here we do context report, not just report with a fix that, and we can this issue for the user, we can do plan replace okay, so copy this range with a semicolon, and we know this is completely safe, so we can do safe, because there is nothing that can go wrong in this specific case. Both tags are immediately after each other, and there is no like inline statement between them. So I think let's enable this rule, and we can see how it works. Let's add it to the tool set. No tag pair terminator. Terminate all. And there. A note, and I'm not sure if it can be a note or warning. I think we'll just leave. So let's go here and create a scenario in PHP where this can happen. Like, let's say we have a class 2 and you have a private string var. This semicolon here can be any terminator. If it's a closing tag, PHP will complain and say, oh, I didn't expect there to be inline text here. But if it's immediately followed by an opening tag, PHP will like, yeah, this is fine, go ahead and write your next property or whatever. And would now be fixed. So let's do length first, and that's it. So it says semicolon terminator is preferred over tag pair terminator. Let's see help message, and it's highlighted, and we can tell it, okay, fix it for us, and there it is. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't like the error message for it. Uh, um, so a PHP tool chain is uh, basically a think of it as a static analyzer and a linter and a code formatter and a code fixer all in a single tool. So one tool is um, supposed to do all of that stuff. So if you're using PHP CS Fixer, for example, to fix your code, and PHP Stan or Psalm to analyze your code, and PHP CS to lint your code, and Rector, for example, to um, do migrations in your code. All of those stuff are different tools. A tool chain basically combines all of them to one thing. And that's what this is. This is meant to be um, a program that does all of that stuff for your PHP code. So yeah, it's basically a complete toolchain. And currently we are working on the linter, which detects small issues in your code, such as this one. So we just implemented. Um, uh, not really. I mean, yeah, maybe, but for me, I'm used to Rust. I use Rust professionally, so it's not really that much harder than doing it in PHP. But when doing it in Rust, there is like a lot of pros. The cons of being harder to write than PHP does not justify not using Rust. And one of the reasons we're using Rust is that this is, for example, this Symfony repository, which has uh, almost 14,000 files in PHP, and to lint this project using Fennec, which we're building, it takes about a second. And there is no other PHP tool that currently can do this at the same rate. Like we're talking like performance-wise, right? So yeah, performance is one of the main reasons why I'm doing this. I forgot what we were gonna do. Oh yeah, the next rule we're gonna implement. So in PHP you can have empty state like this, and these don't mean anything, and they can be safely removed. So we're gonna make a rule that finds these and says, yeah, this can be removed, and it can remove them for you. So let's yeah, let's put it here. So let's call it redundant no op. Hello. To redundant. Name this. Sure, go ahead. Ask. That. open the code base, the website, and I'm not sure I'm following what you. Sure, go ahead. I'm not sure I can help you with that. I have no idea what your website is. Gone. So I can't really help you. Okay, so op rule can ship redundant. There we go. Back. I'm doing good. Yeah. So now, oh my god. So now when we run the linter, we highlight all these things from this. And yes, it does. And there is too many of them. And let's try to fix for it. And yes, it removes the fix. It removes basically semicolon. Or here. There. Fix. So let's move on. What's the next rule? I'm trying to maybe like an one thing that we can port is empty, like empty try block, empty if, else, empty, things like okay, so here is things you're gonna port. Empty try, empty match. We didn't really report about it, and because people just ignore our. Sometimes we should report this as moved, but that's not what we care about that. Also, empty else if. This else is easy to fix. We just delete this. This one is a bit tricky. I'm trying to think of how to how to deal with it. I think we should not have a fix for this, or maybe we should, but put it like potentially unsafe. The reason this is potentially unsafe is because someone can be doing like if database delete ID, right? Something like this. And if we just go ahead and delete this, then their code changes, like the behavior on their code changes because, oh, this will. Actually, I don't think it's potentially unsafe. This is completely unsafe. Unless we know this condition is constant, or yeah, if this is constant, then we can go ahead. Yeah, okay, that's what we're gonna do. Actually, leave this out. I'm gonna take care of this. So let's have something like false or true, and then something plus. This one. This should be deleted completely. This one, this should be deleted. This should be unsafe. So that's redundant if statement. this role should be renamed. They redundant if. And here, this, say, walk in if. Walk in if. How do we know if the statement is empty? Maybe tricky. Do if. Of course you can. Oh, wait a second. So our redundant okay, this means the previous rule we implemented, which says don't have empty statements, is not because whenever it sees an empty statement, it says, "Oh, this can be just removed," but that's not the case here. If removed, then this is not executed. This changes the workflow, so it should be dangerous. Yeah, maybe we should go back to the drawing board and see how to deal with it. And this can happen when? This can happen in if statements, if the statement itself is that, or can happen in also loops. So for each 1, 2. So currently this outputs 1, but if you remove this column, now it outputs 1, 1. Oh yeah. I hate those quirks about PHP. Oh my. Why do we have statements to begin with? Okay. So empty statements are not safe to just remove them. We need to do something similar to how we do where we have let's do this. Let's implement this not public function record index and has no op and a context if I need to do this. This is then we'll yeah, this would be self. But this is not solution. The solution is to do, I believe, the exact same thing as we are doing, but I'll double check. Yeah, it's basically this isn't. Yeah. This here. Within a block or within the entire program. And go to this view. Where was the Anyways, if we have this, have if bar. Anyways, we have this and this. All this should be reported, right? Aside from this one should be reported. This one should not be reported, but this should be reported. And let me just call and run the fixer here. So let's do cargo run fix and see how. Yes, it keeps the same behavior. So here this can be removed because this is a floating block, but this should not be removed. This is the one that's attached to the if. This one should not be removed because it's attached to the if, but this one is a no op, so it can be removed. So yeah, that's how we go from this to this, and it is safe. I don't think we are removing the blocks and semicolons from everywhere where we should remove them, but I think we are covering a wide range, like in the top level, within other blocks, and within a few other statements. So yeah, another thing. I'm trying. Okay, I want to try something. This is the perfect thing. Matter of fact, let's do this as well to test out our earlier. And yeah, so the code went from this, which is still ugly. That's not the job of the linter, and that's the job of the formatter. Later format this and make it presentable, which we do have kind of a formatter. I've already actually implemented a formatter, but not finished. And I did not stream it, but maybe in next stream I will showcase it. Maybe tomorrow, maybe another day. But I spent like a few hours tweaking formatter. Still not as good as it. Also, still not fully implemented. There is a lot of like statements that not get formed. So what's the next rule? I remember I was talking about something earlier that I was going to implement, but then I forgot about it and went to implemented these two, and now I don't remember what I was going to do. Okay, here is what we're going to do. Let's go check out other linters. There is the PHP. Yes, this one. So this is the hack linter, and let's see if there is anything useful here that we can re-implement for us. There is the license header one, which we can do, but considering that we're going to change how we do options and parameters in the configuration file, I'm not going to do because I don't know how the config will end. So just leave it for consistent line ending. and okay. Final or abstract. This is handled by the semantic linter. Group use statement. Oh no. Is there like anything interesting here? Before. Oh. Um. This is. I'm not sure about. We can do it, but no, we're going to do it. Here's what we're going to basically find any if or we didn't finish redundant if. Sorry, we're not going to. So this rule basically checks if any if statement doesn't have like open braces, a block after it, and if it doesn't, then it forces it to have them. So this one is interesting. Let's how can I see this? Just put it. Must use override. Finds for I would say leave this to them. Empty private linter. No, we don't have no empty statement. We already ended this one. No final method in class. I think PHP, but we can probably lint it. As method. A bunch or yeah, PHP. No, this, but we will probably. Let's we'll have like for it. And at the start, no PHP equity. Oh, I also like this one. This is basically don't check for equal. No string interpolation. Also, this is something that we want. Oh, we already have this one. Refer lambdas. This one we can implement, and I believe we can even fix it automatically by turning closures into an arrow function. Could be easy. Could be. I'm not sure. This as well. So we're basically just seeing refer single quote, single letter. Case quote only. Okay, yeah, so these are the rules we're gonna take from PHP and re-implement. So this one says we must use braces control flow length. Wait, why is it control flow only? Oh, it considers these to be control flow. think there are. Yeah. In our case, the only restart we consider to be control flow are if match and the others are. But yeah, it means, I think they mean loops and control. Oh, I want to implement this, but wait, I want to implement this one, but this uh, this is what I want to later introduce, like kind of a plugin system, so that you can have some sort of like a special plugins. One, for example, for async PHP, so it would work with MP, PSL most likely, because these are the things I use, and have it be like knowledgeable about stuff in these libraries, up like async stuff. That would be cool. Although I won't implement exactly these rules. These rules are like about naming, but I think they have other async stuff here. Mhm. Yeah, like this. Like do not await in a loop. Yeah, like calling await in a loop. That's to just create your awaitables. Put them in a vector. Uh, put them in a PHP array, and then call. What is it? I think join all. No, no, not. I'm confusing the terms of Rust and PHP. The waitables, put them in an array, and for PSL, I think you call parallel. Yeah, I think the function called parallel waits for all waitables at once, and for AmpPHP, I don't. But yeah, there is also a function I think there that. Okay, so what we say we're gonna do now? Oh yeah, wire braces. So let's I'm gonna delete you. Come back to you later. I don't forget. Let's go here and create wire block. Here. Okay, what are we looking for? Oh, um, walk in for left for body equals equals. Mm, how do you do this? If let's body equals for body. Oh, if matched go home. Otherwise, here, let's do record and record the reference to style. Pilot help me. If match match statement. Yes. Statement no off. This way. Oh, this doesn't exist, but suggestion. Nice suggestion from you, ChatGPT. However, that does not exist. Yeah, we need it. So replace it like this. Otherwise, plan third. Statements and part offset 1. Oh no, not I. Trying to insert we'll see. We will test. I'll do walk in wild. I don't know why I always write. So we have while. Also have each. Walk in for each body. Exact same thing. What other loops do we have? Yeah, so do while we don't need to check because that always block. which one? Okay, require. Um, Actually, we're not. Um, this is okay. Let's do this. I think it fixed the code. I'm trying to figure out. Wait, it's just that it's ugly fixed. I can't tell if it fixed it. Wait, this here. Oops. Here. Yes, it fixed it. But it just looks ugly. And an ugly fix. Um, oh, but wait. I did not see the error message. I don't like the error at all. You know who can. Um, ask Gemini to give me a better. Um, ooh, it body, blue body. Up with no. Enclosing loop body. That's the better list. Yeah, professional though. Oh wait, I missed something. Ooh, anything that um, mm, oh oh info. Yeah, I think enter the hole. If entering the body. Just so we can obtain the span of the loop to highlight the top. Because currently I don't like that this is highlighting the body, like but the loop isn't. Um, walk in loop. I mean, again, and one, and four. And yes, yes, yes. I love it. And fix. I hate how ugly the PHP code looks. But anyways, I'll be taking another. Will be like around. 15, 14. Anyways, I need to take a break. I need to stretch a bit. Um, I've been streaming for like 3 hours. This stream is hour and 10 minutes long, but I have another stream that's 2 hours because my internet off for. Um, but yeah, it's been sitting on my was now. So let's break. I'll be back. We're gonna finish implementing more roles because I'm starting to enjoy it too. Yeah. gonna do. Yeah. Here. Oh yeah, no final method and final classes. E- e- um, implicit, redundant. You know, I'm not sure if I could name this components. However, maybe redundancy. Yeah, I think we're gonna. So this is redundant. Final, and we report this in two cases actually. One time in enums and once in but yeah, class once in enom and once in so and what we have a that is fine. Class modifiers and final doesn't contain final. Then I do remember that for method is modifier final. Yeah, then this is a redundant modifier to let some modify get fine. This way we have final um, we want to do method that has info text get class skills like qualified class like let's say let method name contact up or method well, and not that final modifier false method get modifier final else and so we can just do sulfur and Oh, this is walk in. Walk in. And let's no. Here we this. I want to check something. Um, I think or not. This the PHP complains about that. Move this. Um, here's for the error message. Uh, um, I'm gonna again Gemini to error message. I don't know how to like write. Um, need we have function. We do dairy plus like nice. So let's start. If we have, like let's make this like the final or you know mm, and it will do Google to run them for the run. Huh? Oh, because we didn't enable. It's called redundant final. Let's go here. also it's gonna be redone. Name it. We're gonna also and all this gonna be redundant. This is gonna redundancy. This is redundant. Add here. So this yeah. Uh, yeah, coax food here. Final modifier on method bar is redundant bar. The final modifier on method foo is redundant as the class foo is already final. Change this to redundancy. I think redundancy should have a higher warning. Not sure if it should be warning. Help kind of makes sense. I think for all of these and consistent the note. Note. So redundant fine. So here now we're gonna make a new what it's called rule set for things like this, for like correctness rules. I think the typing becomes and within strictness, name this to require. This name all of these. So there is one thing to implement. We'll probably do it tomorrow, which is the ignore comment. We need a wait table errors based on my link. I don't know what syntax the other like tools use. You can do ignore will have the name of it. And I'm not sure because it's be attached to a symbol or like no, they can be attached. Yeah, we can find. Oh, we can find them. Okay, never mind. I know how to. Okay. Here I require identity. Require identity. And need to work in all. Oh. Pause. Second. Let me solve this. Um, and we're back. Okay. So here we walk in compares. And we are looking for this. Well, yeah, identical, equal, identical of its. So if that let's do match match comparison greater. Let me see the error message here because error. No, this is not safe. This is unsafe. And leave them like this is not equal. It should again, error messages. I'm really bad at writing them. Okay. Let's error message. Default. Use identity. With no say identity. Both. Possible. While this. Yes. And we can do oh. Oh yes. What? This and this are the same message. Maybe. Should not be used. I think that's fine. They use both value. I think that's I use quality. Kind of we're gonna have this. I use this. Ensure both audio and type are I think, and they don't. Yeah. Let's do. Let's do. Wire item first. And let's go here and do maybe that. So now we can pull it. Should see a warning. Yes. Use identity inequity instead of inequality instead of equality. Person identity inequality checks for both value and type inequality. Blah. I'll use that. And same here. And it highlights left, right, and the right. The comparison. Cool. Like that, like that. So kind of have an equivalent to this role. Over here, and no string interpolation. This one is on the edge of I mean the I don't dislike, and I kind of dislikes a bit. What's this? Ireland. If you require one. Why? Already implemented this one. So what other linters are there? It is PHP, yes, what's new? And they have some rules which we could implement. So these two we have them in one rule. You can configure. Indent we don't really care about. Duplicate class name. What does this one think? Oh, so we don't care about open trace with analysis. Assignment in condition. Ooh, yes. Hmm. Yes. This is something that empty statement we already did. Empty statement. Empty page. What's the difference? Oh, this is like an empty. This is an empty statement. Yeah, we already talked about it. We will do. A for loop should detect for loop that simplified while loop. Oh. Okay, this is nice. We can nice idea. For loop with the test. Okay. Jumbled increment. No. Okay, we need to cover like basically. Is it like the same as the one we have? Oh no, this is this basically doesn't allow to do that at all. We allow to do comments if they have a tag or yeah, a tag basically, a user reference or an issue reference. Oh, for dot blocks, we need to write a parser for comments, and I'm not going to implement stuff like this until we have a parser so that we can try to parse the comment and see something. um, this syntax sniff and PHP CS. In Fennec we have this, but we don't invoke binary. This so far didn't even think about. I didn't even think about if we're gonna need to call the PHP binary at any point. We might need to if we maybe want to have like a run command connect to PHP include carb. We might here want to
Is Parks and Rec. 21 is the American.
In this case we might want to search for the PHP binary. That's not really important. Anyways, necessary. Oh, this is similar to the one we have. I want to see if they handle the like this. But okay. Of it. Let's do. I want to implement not instructing consistent redundancy, redundant statement. Yeah. Redundant. And let's figure out how are we going. So what in an all always. My God. Uh, uh, uh. Okay, that should explain. So if it's in parentheses, return is always true. Referenced, always true. Literal. Match. Like, it's true. We're gonna say false because we're gonna say false. That's true. Because I don't wanna keep no arithmetic. No assignment. No bit assignment. Arithmetic. The thing that with assignment is we can't tell. Sometimes it's always true by so here's good. Like closure is kind of always true, but it is truthy. Russian is truthy, right? If in arms either all all not condition Russian. So if it's on, I'm gonna go that. Yeah. Closure creation is all because it turns a closure is truthful. Instantation. I'm not sure. Magic. I'm not sure. Access no. Clone. Wait. Call no. Clone. Also no. Throw no. No. Yield no. Identifier no. This is the constant no. Variable no. Arrow functions yes. So are closures. I don't know what's classic. Okay. Yeah, that be. A equals to prime. Truthful. No. Instance of operation, no. Okay. No. Wow. This can be truthful. Okay, so if we do is truthful. If the left hand side of it is right, yes, binary operator in two cases. So the first one here, if wait, is truthy condition, then return is truthy, and oh, um, false. No problem. Here, same thing. If the condition is true, then do this. There is no then, so this is true. What's the problem? Oh, the Azraf. What's the problem here? Oh, also Azraf. Azraf exists for reference, but with thread boundness. That's talking about. Yeah. Cast. False. So this is gonna take us like a lot of work. Wanna do it. Logical. Well. Just hanging down. Arithmetic or not. No. Bitwise. No. Magic comparison operator. We can be no. We might do the logical match log. What? Yes. So return not is truth. No. Because if value truthy, no, we're not gonna have. I don't think I want to handle any of these. Yeah, I think. This is. wait, we're calling history. And so if is truthy, if condition means we know that it's always gonna impact. Since we want to reduce this to this. If it is falsy, then let's also have examples where there is the example, given that this never will always something like that. And we're then gonna need to do this for every else if clause. Yeah. Is it just gonna end this in here. I'll probably keep working on but I think I'm gonna have to go now. 4 hours for the day. Yeah, I'm just gonna continue implementing more rules, specifically ones that we can fix, like these ones. Like this would be fixed to this. Wait. This is block 2. 3 block 2 block, and I think block 2. Anyways, yeah, this would be, this is 2 and this is 3, and this one would be okay. Yeah, I think this is it for today's stream. I will probably be streaming again tomorrow, but